Hello guys, once again welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today video we are going to see top 5 programming language you should learn in 2023. Not only that, we are going to review software engineer's salary in Sri Lanka. Then without much more talk, let's dive into the video. Number 5 is goes to C Sharp. C Sharp is developed by Microsoft, and using C Sharp you can develop Windows applications, iOS applications, Android applications, and mostly so this is one of the advanced programming language. Not only that, using C Sharp you can develop your own game also. So C Sharp developers are very rare because in this field is very demand. In Sri Lanka, average annual salary for engineer is 5.5 million rupees. Number 4, it goes to Swift. So Swift is for developing iOS applications for Apple products. So Swift required more, you need to spend more time for learning that programming language. Yes, it's a little bit difficult, but once you are good at this Objective-C programming or Swift, you will be getting easy to develop iOS applications. Especially you need MacBook for developing these iOS applications. So in Sri Lanka, for a Swift developer, average salary is 5.2 million annually. Number 3 is goes to Java. Java is owned by Oracle. It's most popular with object-oriented programming standard. Overall, there's a 3 billion device running application built with Java, right? So Java is very popular programming language. Difficult to learn that programming language, but if you are learning that programming language, you really have a high demand. So Java is widely used in web applications development, mobile applications development, and big data. And also there's several big companies like Google, Amazon, Twitter, they are YouTube, they are used for backend development as well. So not only that, the new Java framework like a Spring, Strut, Hibernate are also very popular among the Java programmers. And the community support will be really good. Many people are ready to help you for learning or any kind of a problem. So in Sri Lanka, for the Java developers, average annual salary is 4.5 million rupees. Number 2 is goes to Python. So Python is one of the most popular programming language among the all the developers and the students. Why? Because it's very easy to learn because of the readability. User can easily write the code and user can understand. This is a very basic programming language, and you can go with the advanced also. But if you are going to learn any programming language, the Python is ideal for everyone. Because of the readability, you can easily understand, you can easily code the program. Using this Python, you can develop GUI based applications, Windows applications, game development, or web services. Mostly the Python is used for machine learning and deep learning. And also Python is used to develop 2D imaging and 3D animation packages like Blender. If you heard about the Blender, that's one kind of application for rendering a 3D and 2D objects. Likewise, you can develop using this Python. Python is one of the most popular programming language. It goes to second place. In Sri Lanka, for a Python engineer, average annual salary is 4.8 million rupees. First place goes to Javascript. So it's one of the most popular programming language in the world. My favorite programming also Javascript because I'm a Javascript developer. Using that Javascript, you can develop any kind of application. It's a cross-platform support, like you can develop a web application, you can develop a mobile application, you can develop a desktop application, anything. Previously, it started with the client side. It's developed only for the web browser. Now it's support to server side as well. Now you can develop client side applications or your server side applications using JavaScript. So JavaScript is very popular in the world. Not only that, you can develop machine learning programming, or you can develop IoT applications using JavaScript. JavaScript, JavaScript, JavaScript. JavaScript is widely used programming language and very popular among all the developers. So first place goes to JavaScript. In Sri Lanka, for a JavaScript developer, average annual salary is 4.2 million rupees. So guys, I am just sharing these things based on the research and real industries, how much they are paying for their developers, because I am also a developer, right? This is just an average annual income for the engineers, but the people who have more experience, based on the experience, your annual salary also increase. So this is just an average salary I have just shared through this video, but the developer earning more or so living in Sri Lanka. Keep that in mind. So then guys, I will catch you on new video. Bye.